Welcome everyone. We are going to start this video by installing the Visual Studio. As you see, you can search on Google and then open the Visual Studio website and download the enterprise executable file. Once it is downloaded, just click on the executable file to open, and then as you see here, it is going to take a few minutes, but I'm going to speed it to make it finish quickly. And I want to say that the Visual Studio is our editor on Windows, so you can use the Visual Studio to write your code. And also we are going to merge or to combine the Visual Studio with the CUDA while installing the CUDA itself, so it will be like editor and compiler. Then here we are going to choose some of these development tools, the C and C++, here in this one, and also the second one. You need to make sure that you have enough space, because this is going to take around 21 gigabytes of your C partition on your computer, so make sure that you have enough space. Here in this part, it is going to take like 20 minutes, less or more. Until then, we are going to start downloading the CUDA toolkit from this link. As you see, just download. Here, choose your operating system, Linux or Windows. I'm choosing Windows for now, Windows 11, and then choose to download the local version. It is 3 gigabytes, so it is going to it will need fast network. And as you see, I'm speeding here. It might take few minutes actually, but I'm speeding the process. So now we are installing the CUDA version 12.3. We are going to accept the terms and policies. Here you can choose custom or express. Express will install everything. Custom give you the option to choose from what you need to install, but I'm going to choose express and click next. Preparing for the installation might take some few minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes, to make sure that your system is compatible with the CUDA version. For example, sometimes you will need to install the drivers. Here, for example, I do not have enough space on my C partition on disk C, so I'm going to free some space and come back again. Here, as you see, I have now around 20 giga or 21 gigabytes in the C partition. And now once I click next, it is going to start the installation process. Here we have already installed. Do not install CUDA unless you have the Visual Studio installed. So I'm installing the CUDA after finishing the installation of the Visual Studio. Okay. So now we can launch the CUDA, the CUDA GeForce experience. This is just some information about your system and what GPUs your computer have or your laptop has. So it is not something that you need to focus on for now. As you see, you can just agree and continue on this part. This is something called GeForce experience. It is going to show you your drivers, your NVIDIA drivers, your GPU, as we are going to see now. You need to log in, or if you don't have an account on NVIDIA, you need to create an account. From this part, you can click on the drivers to see the driver version. As you see, it is 546.29, and this is very important in your CUDA, in your programming. So we need to make sure that we have the most recent CUDA drivers in our system. And also this is the GPU that we have here in this laptop. It is GTX 1070. Okay, so now once you install your Visual Studio, all you need to do is to install your CUDA toolkit, and then everything is ready to start your CUDA programming code.